everyone and welcome. Today we have this Kia Carens with us, which is come in for our paint protection film treatment. We have completed the PPF. We have also applied the Nano Ceramic Sunfilm, 70% for all the glasses. And along with that, we have also installed, for the personal safety of the owner, we have installed the dash camera, which is a must needed accessory today. And we have installed the Thinkware U3000 model, which is the top end in the Thinkware line. It also comes standard fit on BMWs. It captures front 4K and rear 2K. The ADAS features are built in. There is again radar built in for the front and rear. A much better higher end Sony StarVis sensor for super night vision. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Much higher quality of video. It also keeps your car safe in the parking mode. And also comes with a free connected service from Thinkware. So everyone, keep your car safe and also keep yourself safe and contact us. We will suggest you what brand of dash cam is best for you.